We've been waiting on you. Yeah, come on out that truck. We've been waiting on you. There it is. There it is. You got me? Bop, 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 bop. Hey, what we got right here, baby? Yo, been waiting. And it's been taking forever. It's kind of heavy. The box a little banged up. But we want to see what we got, baby. What do we G-O-T? We got, oh yes. What do we?
A motorcycle.
A motorcycle?
It's got wheels.
You see a motorcycle, man?
I don't.
You better be getting that camera work right. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Ooh.
Yeah, it
is. Ooh. Can we get it out? Let me see. Come on. Let's see. We need get a good shot. Back up, my boy.
Yep. A motorcycle.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yume.
I knew it was.
Y-10. Let's see what we got in this thing. For this little unboxing. Oh yeah. You got the scissors, baby. Cutting open the packet, baby. What we got in my slippers. It's cold outside too, but I'm finna ride this. Rascal if it got some juice. Ooh, Junior. Look at them headlights. Got them Johnny 5 headlights, baby. Yeah. Got them Johnny 5. Johnny 5, baby. You don't know about Johnny 5, do you?
Nope.
It's a movie called Short Circuit, baby. Oh, I like that right there. That's, ooh. It kind of got a, oh. Got the, hey, got the little ribs design in there. Got that Johnny 5. Let's see. Gotta get this off. Man, it got a nice kickstand. I'm looking good, baby. Now, I hadn't seen this on none of the unboxings. Got an air pump in this dude. Air pump. Battery. What's this? Oh, somebody robbed me.
What?
Ain't nothing in here. Like the battery charger came out. Maybe that was supposed to be in here. But it came all the way from California. California! Know how to. So I guess en route one of the chargers came out of the box. So it's all good. Okay. Got that Johnny 5. I like that Johnny 5. Them Johnny 5 headlights, boy. Them Johnny 5 headlights. Both of them came out the box. Yume, y'all need to put them in the box better. Put them in the box better. All right, let's see what we got right here. Look at this air pump, baby. Oh yeah, this hey. Oh, this 1 foot air pump. So this one I didn't know this was coming, but the H-A-I-B-O-S-A Hibachi air pump. Oh, look at that. Oh, wait a minute. Got that good air, let's see. Oh, I got two, look at that. All right, let's put that over there. What do we have? So now we got to get these handlebars. Oh. Hear that? Click it. Oh. Yume. Yeah. Oh, click, baby.
That's a scooter.
Oh, click, baby. Click. We run this up tight. This is the part that they were talking. That seems sturdy though, but they was like, you put your little piece of Velcro on here, a little strap, so this don't turn loose on you while you ride down the street, baby. So anyway,
I thought you had got a motorcycle. I know you got an electric.
So we put the kickstand down, and bam, there you go. Got these turn signals back here. Y'all see them? You see it. You see it. You gotta put them in there and they put the little nuts on there. Yeah. Moped got nuts. Alright, let's see. Right here. Where the Johnny Fives at? Johnny Five. I like them Johnny Five. Johnny Five, baby. Johnny Five. Yeah, short circuit. Okay, so we good. We good. Where my boy Elias at? Where he at? Where he at? Where Elias at? Word. Oh yeah. We got the keys. Keys. Alright, so look.
Keys? Why would you need keys?
Because it has a voltage lock to keep. They say these handlebars are too skinny, but I don't know. It don't feel too bad to me. I think I might still upgrade them though. So we got this. Got this. We're gonna come back, but it's here, baby. My little birthday gift to me is here. And I'm gonna change out a few things. I got my grips and all that coming. But it's here. The Yume Y-10 is in the building. We're hollering.